Hi YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lee. Today is an unboxing video. I'm going to unboxing my recent purchase on eBay. In one of my previous videos, I said that my local charity shops are for me more and more disappointing because they are full of poor quality fast fashion items. I can barely find anything I want. What I want is good quality item. So I gradually move on to online treasure hunting. eBay is one of the places I could find good quality fashion items with a good price. So today I'm going to show you what I found, tell you how much I paid for it. Let's get started. This is the parcel just arrived this morning. I haven't opened yet. The parcel is another parcel from this shape. Can you guess what is? So this is, wow, it looks more beautiful than on the pictures I have seen. And the condition is, I would say, it's like new. And it smells good. So this is a handbag. I have many handbags, I know, but most of my handbags have this rigid shape. I wish to have a little bit slouchy bag, and I think this one has its shape and also has this relaxed, this rounded shape and a little bit slouchy and relaxed. That's what I want. And you know, as a Escada collector, this is Escada logo. It's a new version of Escada logo. It's a rounded, this E Escada rounded. And look at this stitching, very decorative, beautiful. And inside the bag is the same pink or red color lining. Inside, the condition is also very new. Look at this. So let's have a look. The beautiful shape I like. Here I can open it like this. Good. A small bag, side pocket. Very good. And inside, this opening is rounded, so it's easy to get the stuff, putting stuff in and out. Look, zip up. The hardware, the condition is also very good, very shining, very new. Inside here is a zipper pocket. I'm always looking for a inside zipper pocket when looking for a bag, so I can put my important essentials inside, like wallet, keys. And here, so this small pocket and a bigger slip pocket. I think this bag was made in early 2000 because look at this for the smaller phone at that period of time. The lining is also with Escada logo and Escada monogram. And here is a leather tag. It says Escada handmade Italy. So it's made in Italy, handmade. And this is, I don't know if you can see on the video, it's a very rich cherry color. I'm looking forward to wear this handbag in winter when outside it's so dark and gray, and this is a pop-up color, and this color make me happy. Another thing I would like to show you is look at this metal feet with Escada logo. This really indicates the quality of the bag. So because this is extra material and extra work, so when I put this bag on the floor, and the leather on the bottom will be protected. So overall, this is a very good quality designer handbag, leather, the real leather, handmade in Italy. And can you guess how much I paid for it? I will give you a little time. Now 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I paid £10.50, so English pounds, and plus £4.50 shipping cost. So the total cost of this bag is £15. So it's really a great online thrift fund for me. What do you think? So this is today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, please give a thumbs up, and please leave in the comments below what is your amazing find and how much you paid for it. I would like to know. And thank you for watching. Take care. Until next time. Bye bye.